name is Peggy. I like fashion, I like to make clothes. And today I feel like making something that I never tried before. It is interesting yet challenging. So we are making a reversible modern CheongSam with origami technique. The purpose is to cut out a cloth in a piece of fabric one shot and make it transforming to wear it two ways. It sounds a lot to go on, but I really wanted to see if I can do it. Okay, a little bit of context. Just floating around the internet, I saw this video and it just catch my heart. So the question is, can I making a modern CheongSam this way? I mean just folding around a piece of fabric and cut it out one shot. Then ta-da! The cloth is formed. And another video. This is fun. This is creative and it is possible. But point is how? How can I combine these two concepts in my design and make it happen? Okay, so let's start with some research. Right off the bat, there's a couple of questions here. Number one, how big is the fabric that I need that allows me to fold it and cut it out and in one shot at the same time? It enough for me to make it transforming concept? Okay, and the second question is, should it make from the origami paper patterns format or a traditional tailoring format? I really hope it is not tailoring format because I'm bad at pattern making. I think before all the experiment test goes on, let's talk about my CheongSam design and sketch. I've been checking around through the Pinterest board to make this fun and creative CheongSam. I did put together all the inspiration, design and ideas that I found from Pinterest. Alright, so we have the must Chinese collar, Chinese knock buttons, and I like comfortable, so I want it to be oversized. Oh yeah, the cute V-cut sleeve. This is cute. I like it so much, and I'm going to add bow here and some strap around. And this is the final design. I picked two different color of fabric, which is red and pink, to make the reversible transforming obvious and to have the contrast. Now it's time to try out the origami paper patterns format. I learned how to fold an origami paper clothes from this video. After 300 times of trying, it worked! Thank God that I can skip the traditional tailoring formula. Now let's see how big the fabric I need. I tried to transform this to the bigger paper and I'm not sure how big the paper I need. Just try an area here. If you have no solid basic in pattern making, no worry. You either can use your own patterns cutting if you have one and put on top of your origami paper patterns and trace it out. But it is totally okay if you don't have. You can always pick a shirt that fits you well from your wardrobe and trace it out. I try to label each part of the shirt and also on my patterns, so I will not lose myself when I'm doing the folding process. Finally, the pattern is done. Now, the problem is, my fabric is not big enough. After thinking out all the possibility, I decide to join my fabric and keep watching. You might wonder why I'm bringing up this eternal elegant CheongSam topic. Well, yes, Lunar New Year, also known as Chinese New Year or Spring Festival. It's just around the corner. It is a festive and significant holiday celebrations by many East Asian culture. What you wear on Lunar New Year can vary depending on culture tradition. Lunar New Year clothes has historical, customary and symbolic significance. New clothes for a new year symbolize the idea of change, new beginning, and getting rid of the bad luck from the old year. The CheongSam, also called as QiPao, is a traditional Chinese dress often worn on special occasions, including Lunar New Year. This year, I decided to make a modern CheongSam for my Lunar New Year. So let's get ready to jump right into the Lunar New Year aroma. I had such a high hope going into this project, and now it's time for the moment of truth. Okay guys, here's the finished CheongSam. What do we think? And yeah, this is the final look. Check it out. Let me know if you like it. And if you did like this video, feel free to give me a thumbs up because it is an easy way to support your favorite cradle for free. And also feel free to follow me on my Instagram, Peggy. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I think that is everything. So thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!